Come test drive the 2020 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, front license plate bracket, 4-piece floor mat set. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.